This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make drug study in nursing. Start by setting a focused research question and measurable aims, then outline inclusion and exclusion criteria. Choose a feasible sample size and plan data collection timelines that fit clinical workflows. Coordinate with pharmacists and physicians early and secure IRB or ethics approval. Keep documentation organized and communicate roles to your nursing team with empathy and clarity throughout the process. Select a study design that matches your question, such as randomized or observational, and describe interventions precisely. Create detailed protocols for dosing, timing, and administration to minimize variation across staff. Train nurses on data capture, adverse event reporting, and blinding procedures if needed. Set up secure storage for study drugs and records, and plan interim checks to monitor safety and data quality, so the study runs smoothly and ethically. Quick recommendation: if you spend long shifts on your feet, try Darn Tough socks for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, a small upgrade that makes long medication rounds easier. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more nursing content you actually use. I put a link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Predefine your analysis plan, primary endpoints, and acceptable effect sizes to avoid bias, then collect data accordingly. Implement ongoing safety monitoring with clear triggers for action and rapid adverse event reporting pathways. Maintain strict confidentiality and use coded identifiers when storing data, and ensure secure access controls. Debrief staff regularly, review interim findings ethically, and prepare clear reports that inform practice change without overstating results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.